How do industrial machines work automatically without human control? Who decides when a motor should turn on or when a valve should open? This is all controlled by a PLC. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we explain PLCs, sensors, and industrial automation in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It is an industrial computer that receives signals from sensors, processes those signals using programmed logic, and then controls machines and devices. In simple words, a PLC works like the brain of a machine. In industries, machines run 24 hours a day. If a motor is not turned off at the correct time, equipment can be damaged. If a valve does not open on time, production can stop. A PLC handles all of this automatically, which is why it is one of the most important parts of industrial automation. Now, let's understand the main parts of PLC. The first part is the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the PLC where the program runs and decisions are made. The second part is the input module, which receives signals from sensors and switches. The third part is the output module, which controls devices such as motors, valves, and alarms. The fourth part is the power supply, which provides power to the PLC and all its modules. The fifth part is the communication ports, which allow the PLC to connect with the computer for programming and monitoring. Now let's talk about input devices. Inputs are devices that send signals to the PLC. Examples include push buttons, proximity sensors, limit switches, temperature sensors, and level sensors. These devices send information to the PLC, and based on this information, the PLC decides what action to take. Output devices are the devices controlled by the PLC, such as motor starters, solenoid valves, alarms or sirens, indicator lights, and relays. Simply put, inputs give commands and outputs perform actions. A PLC works in a simple cycle: input reading, logic execution, and output updating. When you press a button, the signal goes to the input module. The CPU checks the logic, and then the output is turned on. This simple cycle is what controls entire industrial systems. Let's look at some real-life examples. In an elevator system, when you press a button, the PLC receives the signal and starts the motor. In a water tank system, when a level sensor detects low water, the PLC turns the pump on automatically. In a packaging machine, a proximity sensor detects the product and the PLC activates the cutter. This was a simple and clear overview of PLCs. In the next video, we will create an easy ladder logic example step by step. If you want to learn ladder logic, comment ladder below and make sure to subscribe to the channel.